I thought I'd best have a quick check round greenhouses before I do anything, just in case there's some more tomatoes that need picking, because at this time of year we're picking them every 2 to 3 days, and yet still I've just picked all those. Loads of tomatoes. And we've got some really big ones as well as some really nice sweet cherry tomatoes. And obviously that's far too many for any family to eat in just a week or two before they start to go soft. The great thing is I blend them and freeze them in batches, and I've got loads and loads of batches of tomato sauces in the freezer right now. But once you get to autumn and then winter, and you can't grow things like tomatoes, peppers and cucumbers, you'll be glad that you froze every last single one that you could get your hands on, so you can make all your curries, sauces and soups. But obviously, apart from tomatoes, you need some salad. So we're going to sow some more seeds today and grow some more salads. And what we're going to do is a big container of mixed salad leaves, which will be cut and come again. I've got some of these really big containers that we made ourselves from pallets. So really good, sturdy planters and free. And I'm going to use this to grow a big mass of mixed lettuce leaves. And I'm going to add a couple of pre-grown plants to the back of it as well, so that while the freshly sown seeds are germinating, we can still take little harvests from the ones that are more advanced. So I'll just fill this container up with some compost and we'll get on with it. But just before we get started with that, I just want to say a massive thank you to Sheila Thomas, who's made a donation to this channel. You know it's greatly appreciated and will definitely be put to good use. So that's that bit done. It's all been nicely firmed down as well. And I'm going to make sure this container's nice and moist. And give it a really good watering. And what I've got is some of these pre-grown lettuce plants. And they've been in these containers for way too long. So they're looking a little bit worse for wear. But if we pull all these old leaves away from the bottom, we can still use them. So they have got a fair amount of roots on the bottom. Not root bound though, it's quite surprising. So I'm just going to take all these bad leaves away. Just leave us the good ones. Even this big one, because it's starting to go yellow. So it's not going to last. And I am going to put them right at the back like that, because then we'll sow fresh seeds at the front. And we can harvest from these small ones while these are starting to grow. So I'm just going to make a nice deep hole. Deeper the better with your lettuce. We'll get that in there. Firm it down as well. And then we'll pop another one in. And again, all time clearing up any dead leaves. And we'll get another one in this side as well. And I think one in centre will do it. So we've already got a start on the salads. And then we'll add some of these mixed ones, different varieties of salad leaf. And because we're making a cut and come again salad box, we can overseed it and get as much growing in here as we can. So you can see there's a mixture of seeds there, different colours. So we're just broadcasting them all over the top. Lots of seeds going in there. We'll save a few for another container as well. And then we can make that a couple of weeks after this one, so we can get that continuation of salad harvests. And then a very light covering. If you multi-sow lots of salad leaves like this, they'll all come up at the same time. And what they tend to do is, if you don't give them a really light covering, they try and push all the compost up in one square, which ends up making everything look a bit of a mess. So that's why we use this colander. And we know they've got the lightest covering they could get this way. And as they're growing to a size where you can pick them, these ones at the back will have reached maturity, and we'll be picking leaves from them while waiting for the others. So now it's just a case of giving it a really light watering so we don't disturb that soil too much. And then we've got this first autumn big planter ready to go. And of course, meanwhile, we've got these amazing spinach planters that are now ready to take a cutting from. So I'll be taking a few leaf cuttings from this today for his tea to go with his salad, and then we'll let everything else grow on, which is exactly what's going to be happening with the one that we've just done. And eventually those lettuces at the back are going to look like this. So a hearting lettuce that we can cut and take all at once, which is plenty for a lovely salad. And then all your fresh multicoloured ones growing at the front. And we might even chuck in a few radish leaves as well. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today. We've got that one sorted out. We are going to be doing some more a little bit further down the line. We'll probably do another one tomorrow, and to add to a mixture of colour from all these salad leaves that we're growing, I might do some beetroots, but not for bulbs, for the beet leaves, because they're a nice reddy colour. So it's going to make that salad look even more attractive. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of what we do in this container greenhouse over the next couple of months, then please just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell. We'll see you next time. You all take care. Thank you.